magsusuot nito? Magkano kaya? Gaano kaya kabigat yan? Wow, Muhammad, this place is dripping with gold. How much do you think is the entire shop? Confidential. Safe to say maybe billions or millions of dollars. What are some of the more interesting things that we should know?
All of the items set in our design is like more than 2 kilos.
12 kilos of gold dress?
Like a big sheet.
Oh, wow. Do you have something here that I can put on?
The weight of the necklace around 400 grams.
What kind of women would wear such heavy
I
and...
don't have a lot of money.
Dito ka no? Parang na... Galing tayo dito kanina pero never natin napansin na mayroon sa kapatid. Saan po banda rito? Ito! Ano buksan po yan? Saan po pwedeng hawakan? Dito sa may siwa. Tara, buksan natin. Alright.